Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennials channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the list icon and color on reminders on iPhone. So after you open the calendar app on your phone, you tap the plus icon. Oh no, tap on calendars, and then you tap on, so for example birthday, the icon there, then tap on color, and then you can change the color. If you want to custom, tap custom, and you could just tap the colors you want, or you can change to spectrum or sliders. And so after you pick the color, so for example I want this color, or this color I want it to be pastel colors, so just tap and then tap on the plus button there, and then just go back, and that's it. Tap done on the top right corner, and that's it. So thank you for watching.